Good morning! Oh, good afternoon na, good afternoon, good afternoon. Today is Saturday. Nandito ako sa opisina with one of the aspiring M1 star coach, Miss aspiring pala. Maybe end of this month, which is February, she will become an M1. And of course, she is planning to be with us in Anaheim, California, baby. So, pag M1 kasi, doon pag sumama siya, mare-recognize siya doon. So, aakyat siya sa stage with a lot of, leaders, elite leaders of North America. So, what can you say, Madam Damen?
Excited?
Excited? Ay, grabe.
Hopeful?
So yeah, she's almost M1. So I'm trying to guide and help support her to become an M1 as well. So I'm just here to to be with them all the way. So last word, madam?
See you.
Bago ka sumibat, bago ka lumayas.
See you.
See you at the top.
Hope for your goal. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Okay,
Cheers.
bye.
Bye.